In this video, we're going to talk about top 10 most luxurious houses in the world, owned by billionaires living in Dubai, Hollywood, Miami, New York, Calabasas, California, and Monaco. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Number 1. Zabeel Palace. The city known for its opulence and grandeur, Dubai. It's no surprise that billionaires flock to this vibrant city. Our first billionaire is none other than Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai. His house, aptly named Zabeel Palace, is a stunning masterpiece, spanning over 20,000 square meters. The palace boasts exquisite architecture, lavish gardens, and breathtaking views of the city's skyline. Inside, you'll find opulent rooms adorned with intricate gold accents, an extensive art collection, and a private zoo with rare and exotic animals. Zabeel Palace truly embodies the grandeur and wealth of Dubai's ruling family. Number 2. The Promised Land. The renowned Hollywood producer and director, Steven Spielberg. His mansion, The Promised Land, is situated in the heart of Beverly Hills. With its classic Mediterranean-style architecture, stunning pool, and lush gardens, this house is a true paradise. Its expansive interior is adorned with priceless artwork and state-of-the-art amenities fit for a Hollywood legend. The Promised Land also boasts a private theater, a sprawling library, and a vast entertainment complex, making it the perfect retreat for Spielberg to unleash his creative genius. Number 3. Villa Forenza. To Miami, where we find our next billionaire, Alejandro Santo Domingo, heir to the Santo Domingo Group. His residence, Villa Forenza, is an architectural marvel nestled on a private island. This Mediterranean-style villa features 20 bedrooms, a private helipad, a massive swimming pool, and its own tennis court. The interiors of Villa Forenza are adorned with rare marble, intricate frescoes, and luxurious furnishings. It's a true sanctuary of indulgence, offering panoramic views of the azure waters of Biscayne Bay. Number 4. The Bloomberg Mansion. The New York City, home to some of the world's wealthiest individuals. One prominent billionaire is Michael Bloomberg, the former mayor of NYC and founder of Bloomberg LP. His impressive townhouse, known as the Bloomberg Mansion, stands tall on the Upper East Side. This magnificent residence showcases a perfect blend of classic and modern design, complete with a private library, art gallery, and a rooftop garden offering panoramic views of the city. The Bloomberg Mansion also houses a private gym, a spa, and an underground parking garage for Bloomberg's extensive car collection. Number 5. The Wessie Castle. Let's travel to Calabasas, California, a celebrity hotspot. Here, we find the extravagant residence of Kim Kardashian and Kanye West, the West Castle. This sprawling estate features a combination of contemporary and minimalist design, with its own private vineyard and a 2.5-acre garden. The interior of the West Castle is a masterpiece of sleek lines, open spaces, and luxurious finishes. It includes a private movie theater, a full-size basketball court, and a spa with a beauty salon. The West Castle truly represents the couple's taste for modern luxury and their larger-than-life lifestyle. Number 6. The Prince's Palace. The glamorous city-state of Monaco. Meet Prince Albert II of Monaco, whose residence, the Prince's Palace, is a symbol of elegance and regality. Situated on a rocky cliff overlooking the Mediterranean Sea, this palace dates back to the 13th century. It boasts stunning architecture, impeccable gardens, and breathtaking views. Inside, you'll find exquisite ballrooms, a private chapel, and a magnificent throne room. The Prince's Palace is not only a residence but also a cultural landmark that reflects the rich history and legacy of Monaco's royal family. Number 7. Musk Manor. To the United States, we venture to another luxurious enclave in California, Beverly Hills. Here, we find the sprawling mansion of Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur and CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. Named Musk Manor, this estate spreads across several acres and features a futuristic design with cutting-edge technology integrated throughout. With its private helipad, indoor swimming pool, and a home theater that rivals a Hollywood cinema, Musk Manor is a haven of innovation and luxury. The estate also houses a state-of-the-art home office, reflecting Musk's dedication to pushing the boundaries of technology. Number 8. Villa Frost. In Miami Beach, where our next billionaire, Philip Frost, resides. His extravagant home, Villa Frost, is a magnificent waterfront mansion. With its modern design, panoramic glass windows, and a private beach, this residence offers a true taste of paradise. The house also boasts a state-of-the-art spa, a private yacht dock, and a luxurious home theater for unforgettable entertainment experiences. Villa Frost is a testament to success in the pharmaceutical industry and his appreciation for refined living. Number 9. The Carter Estate. Back to New York City, where the iconic musician and business mogul, Jay-Z, and his wife, Beyoncé, call home. Their mansion, the Carter Estate, is an architectural marvel located in the exclusive neighborhood of Tribeca. This sprawling penthouse features breathtaking views of the city, a private rooftop pool, a full-size basketball court, and a wine cellar fit for connoisseurs. The interior of the Carter Estate showcases a perfect fusion of modern design and artistic flair, with custom-made furniture, avant-garde artwork, and luxurious amenities that cater to the couple's lavish lifestyle. Number 10. The Emirates Palace. In the glamorous city of Dubai, where we find the ultimate billionaire residence, the Emirates Palace. Owned by Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the president of the United Arab Emirates, this palace is an awe-inspiring masterpiece. With its gold-plated walls, magnificent chandeliers, and impeccable craftsmanship, it's truly fit for royalty. The palace even features its own marina, pristine beaches, and an extravagant spa. The Emirates Palace is not just a house, it's a symbol of Dubai's commitment to luxury and grandeur, embodying the city's reputation as a global hub of opulence. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Thank you.